Hi everyone! Are you planning your next magical trip to Disney World? Well, today I'm sharing game-changing hacks that will save you time, money, and maybe even your sanity while exploring the parks. From skipping long lines to scoring the best deals, these tips will help you make the most of your Disney adventure. So grab a Mickey-shaped snack and let's dive in. First up, rope drop. This is Disney lingo for arriving at the park before it officially opens. Not only will you beat the crowds, but you'll also have a chance to ride popular attractions with minimal wait times. Pro tip: arrive at least 45 minutes early, especially for parks like Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios, where early risers flock to fan favorites like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train or Rise of the Resistance. Set those alarms, it's worth it. So instead of waiting in line for food, I suggest that you use the Disney app to mobile order your meals ahead of time. You can pick your preferred time slot and skip the chaos altogether. So here's also a bonus hack. Schedule your meal pickups during peak ride times, like lunchtime, when the lines are the longest at attractions. This way, you can enjoy your favorite rides and grab your food with zero stress. Staying hydrated is key in the Florida heat, but you don't need to spend a fortune on bottled water. Just ask for a cup of ice water at any quick service restaurant. It's totally free. And if you're looking for hidden snack gems, try the pretzel bread pudding at Epcot's Germany Pavilion or the cheeseburger spring rolls near Adventureland. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Disney's Genie Plus system is your fast pass to shorter wait times. For a daily fee, you can book access to popular rides. But here's a trick. Book your first Genie Plus selection at 7 a.m. sharp. The early bird gets the best options. Another tip is to prioritize rides that tend to have the longest waits, like Slinky Dog Dash or Space Mountain. Once you've checked in for your first reservation, book your next one immediately. It's like a game of strategy. And if you don't mind splitting up your group for a bit, single rider lines are a fantastic way to skip the long waits. Rides like Test Track and Expedition Everest offer single rider options, and you'll often wait a fraction of the time. You will want to avoid the shoulder-to-shoulder crowds on Main Street by watching fireworks from less crowded areas. For Magic Kingdom show, try the Hubgrass near Cinderella's castle or the Bridge by Be Our Guest restaurant. For Epcot's nighttime spectacular, head to the Italy Pavilion for a front row view without the madness. Are you staying at a Disney resort? Lucky you! Take advantage of perks like early entry, which lets you enter the parks 30 minutes before everyone else. And don't forget free transportation from buses to monorails to boats. It saves you parking fees and hassle. Even if you're not staying at a Disney hotel, you can still explore the resorts. Hop on the monorail and check out the stunning lobbies of the Grand Floridian or Polynesian for a midday escape. Certain parks are busier on certain days. For example, Magic Kingdom tends to be crowded on weekends, while Epcot often sees a spike during food festivals. Use crowd calendars to plan the best days for each park. And if you can, avoid visiting during major holidays. It will save you from long lines and huge crowds. And friends, there you have it. My ultimate Disney World hacks to help you have a magical, stress-free trip. If you have found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Disney content, and share your own Disney hacks in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.